Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, Great Johnsonkeyz. Thank you for following me. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice piano lick you can use in the key of C for your 6251, 6251 to your 4. So it goes okay, so now let's teach. So my 6251, if you follow me on this channel, I have a lot of piano tutorials and courses. You know, I've done a lot of videos on 6251, so you already know these chord voicings, these rootless chord voicings: 6, 2, 5, 1 to 4. If you follow me, you already know that. If you don't follow, you should check my other videos. So now on the right, I have something. I'm doing something that so I'm slurring. I've done this in the key of F also. If you are F player, you can check that video also, or ask me in the comment section. So it goes slowly, sorry, so that's the slow part. So so that's it. I'm sure you'll be able to pick that. So you can always play that. So play like the you play it on that song, but there are many other songs you can actually do it on the 65 and change chord changes. So follow me for more. God bless you. Don't forget to get my piano course. Right. God bless you.